Ever struggled with lumpy milkshakes that ruin your vibe? Weary face emoji. Today, I'm revealing the top 8 blenders that whip creamy, dreamy milkshakes effortlessly. Stick around, you'll discover which one suits you best. Friendly tip: grab your favorite through the links in the description and start blending like a pro. Cup emoji, sparkles emoji. On number 8 is Turelar blender for smoothies. Ever struggled with lumpy, inconsistent milkshakes at home? Meet the Turelar blender, a true game changer in the world of portable blenders. Tested for real-world comfort, this powerhouse tackles ice, frozen fruits, and even tougher ingredients with its 20,000 revolutions per minute motor, delivering silky smoothies in seconds. What makes it stand out among the top 8 options for milkshakes? The adjustable speed preserves nutrients while extending motor life, and the pulse function pulverizes stubborn ingredients effortlessly. Love taking smoothies on the go? The two 24-ounce travel cups make it convenient, whether at the gym, office, or picnic. Compared to other blenders on our list, it's quieter, more compact, and surprisingly versatile, great for shakes, sauces, baby food, and more. Overload protection adds peace of mind, and cleanup is a breeze. Honestly, if you want a reliable, nutrient-extracting, on-the-go blender, this is a smart buy. Curious how it stacks against the rest? Stay tuned, we're just getting started. At number 7 is Vitamix X5 Blender. Think all blenders are the same? Think again. The Vitamix X5 completely redefines what a home blender can do. Tested for real-world comfort, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and fibrous veggies effortlessly, giving silky smooth shakes every time. Among the top 8 choices for milkshakes, this one stands out with 10 automatic programs, from smoothies to nut butters, so even beginners get perfect results. The tamper indicator is a game changer, guiding you to avoid clogs, while the self-cleaning feature saves precious time. Compared to portable blenders like the Turelar, it's heavier, but the professional-grade motor and stainless steel blades make it ideal for serious smoothie lovers. The 48-ounce container handles family-sized blends, and with the 10-year warranty, it's peace of mind in a cup. If you want precision, versatility, and reliability in one, this is a smart, long-term choice. Who else is ready to upgrade their shake game? On number 6 is Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender. Think a budget-friendly blender can't deliver restaurant-quality milkshakes? Think again. The Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender surprises with its 700-watt motor and patented wave action system, pushing every ingredient straight into the blades for ultra-smooth results. Tested for real-world comfort, it handles ice, frozen fruits, and protein powders with ease. Among the top 8 contenders for milkshakes, this one shines for its simplicity and versatility, 12 functions controlled with just 5 buttons. Compared to pricier models like the Vitamix X5, it's lighter and more approachable, though slightly less powerful for large or fibrous blends. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe glass jar and blades, giving peace of mind after every use. If you want a reliable, mess-free, and smart choice for everyday smoothies and shakes, this blender delivers serious value. Ready to see it in action? At number 5 is VONCI Commercial Blender. Ever wondered why some milkshakes come out perfectly smooth while others leave chunks behind? The VONCI Commercial Blender might just be the secret. Tested for real-world comfort, its 2200-watt motor and 25,000 revolutions per minute speed crush ice, nuts, and frozen fruits effortlessly, delivering creamy, café-quality shakes every time. Among the top 8 options for milkshakes, this one stands out for its extra-large 2.54-liter capacity, perfect for family parties or small businesses. The 6 preset programs plus DIY mode make it easy to get consistent results, while the soundproof cover keeps things peaceful in your kitchen. Compared to smaller blenders like Hamilton Beach, it handles big batches and tough ingredients with zero stress. Cleaning is a breeze with auto-clean pulse function, giving peace of mind after heavy use. If you want power, precision, and quiet efficiency in one, this is a smart, long-term choice for anyone serious about shakes. Who's ready to upgrade? At number 4 is WantJoin Professional Blender. Ever felt frustrated when your smoothies or milkshakes come out lumpy or uneven? The WantJoin Professional Blender changes the game. Tested for real-world comfort, Its 2200-watt motor and dual-direction blades spin at 38,000 revolutions per minute, effortlessly crushing ice, nuts, and frozen fruits into silky textures every time. Among the top 8 options for milkshakes, this one stands out for its quiet, soundproof design and generous 2.2-liter, 80-ounce, pitcher, perfect for families, parties, or even small cafes. Compared to VONCI, it's slightly more compact yet equally powerful, with precise 15-speed control and pulse function for ultimate customization. Cleanup is stress-free with the self-cleaning feature, and the overheat protection adds peace of mind. If you're serious about professional quality shakes, smoothies, or sauces at home or in a small business, this blender is a smart, reliable choice. Ready to blend like a pro? On number 3 is BLACK+DECKER Multifunction Blender. Think a simple countertop blender can't give cafe-quality milkshakes? The BLACK+DECKER Multifunction Blender proves otherwise. Tested for real-world comfort, its 700-watt motor and 4-tip Quad Pro stainless steel blades create a powerful vortex, blending fruits, ice, and protein powders into creamy, smooth textures in seconds. Among the top 8 options for milkshakes, this model shines for its versatility and ease of use. 4-speed settings, including pulse functions, handle everything from soft smoothies to icy frozen drinks. The 6-cup glass jar feels sturdy and classic, and cleanup is stress-free with dishwasher-safe removable parts. Compared to Hamilton Beach, it's slightly less powerful for heavy-duty blends, but its affordability and consistent results make it perfect for home users seeking reliable, mess-free shakes. If you want a safe, smart, and straightforward blender that delivers smooth results every time, this is a solid pick. Ready to pour your first shake? At number 2 is Ninja Portable Blender. Ever wished you could make a perfectly smooth milkshake anywhere, no cords, no hassle? The Ninja Portable Blender makes that dream a reality. Tested for real-world comfort, its Ninja Blast technology and stainless steel blades crush ice, frozen fruits, and protein powders effortlessly, delivering creamy textures in seconds. Among the top 8 options for milkshakes, this one stands out for portability and convenience. With an 18 ounces blending vessel, USB-C rechargeable base, and easy sip lid, you can blend, drink, and go, perfect for the gym, office, or travel. Compared to countertop giants like Vitamix or VONCI, it's smaller and less powerful for large batches, but it excels in mobility without compromising smoothness. Cleanup is quick with dishwasher-safe parts or a 30-second self-clean cycle. If you want on-the-go convenience without sacrificing quality, this blender is a smart, worry-free choice. Who's ready to sip anywhere? Now moving to the last one is NutriBullet Personal Blender. Think all personal blenders are the same? Think again. This powerful single-serve blender delivers 1,200 watts of motor power, making it one of the strongest compact options on the market, while also being surprisingly quiet. Tested for real-world comfort, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and protein powders effortlessly, creating smooth, creamy shakes every time. Compared to the NutriBullet Personal Blender, it has a more advanced rapid extractor blade with titanium coating for faster, longer-lasting performance. Its glow interface is intuitive, giving you the choice of a fully automated smoothie cycle or manual pulse control. The Tried and Renew cups are BPA-free, shatter-resistant, and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup stress-free. If you want a compact, powerful, and eco-friendly personal blender that saves time without sacrificing smoothness, this is a smart, safe, and satisfying choice. Ready to blend like a pro? After reviewing all the contenders, the Vitamix X5 clearly stands out as the winner. Its professional-grade motor, 10 automatic programs, tamper indicator, and self-cleaning function make it the most versatile and reliable choice among the top 8 best blenders for milkshakes. It handles everything from ice-crushing smoothies to nut butters effortlessly, while the large 48-ounce container ensures family-sized blends. With a 10-year warranty, intuitive controls, and consistent results, it's a smart, long-term investment for anyone serious about perfect, cafe-quality milkshakes at home. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best blender for milkshakes. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.